Sometimes uncertainty can create paralysis, and sometimes it can create activity in the real estate market. And I promise you this video has an uptick. Fort Erie real estate market is shifting fast, and if you're not paying attention, you could miss out on a major opportunity because homes are selling and buyers are active in today's market. And I'm going to break down exactly what's happening, whether you live here already or whether you're thinking about moving into the Fort Erie marketplace. You need to know this data. So before I dive in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any updates, because I break down each and every week the numbers so that you can make informed decisions about the real estate market. If you follow my market updates, you know that I rely on solid, accurate data to educate you about what's happening in Fort Erie and in the Niagara region. But recently, our MLS system transitioned to a new platform called Realm as a part of a merger that took place between the Niagara Association of Realtors and the TREB board. This shift caused inconsistencies in the data, so I took a little bit of a step back to make sure that I can ensure that I was providing you with the most reliable information. Today, I finally have a clear picture, and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's dive in. As of today, we have 356 active listings in Fort Erie with a median listing price of $653,500. Homes are sitting on the market for about 68 days here in Fort Erie, but the real story is sales. Since January 1st, the median sold price in Fort Erie is $575,000, and homes are selling and moving faster now with a median days on market at 40 days. This tells us two things. Number one, pricing is holding steady. Fort Erie remains an affordable option. And number two, buyers are active despite all the talk about interest rates and economic uncertainty. Now, Fort Erie versus the Niagara region. How does Fort Erie compare to the rest of the region? Well, Fort Erie, with 356 active listings and a median price range of $653,500 and 68 days on market. In the Niagara region, we have 2,593 active listings, median price of $719,900 asking, and 44 days on market. Even when looking at sales, Fort Erie median sold price at $575,000, while Niagara sits at $630,000, means Fort Erie continues to be one of the more affordable and attractive areas for home buyers in Niagara. If you've been on the fence about making a move, this is exactly why Fort Erie should be on your radar. Are homes actually still selling over asking? It's quite the opposite, actually. And in fact, the word that comes to mind right now is grind. You'll see in the next slide that in 2022, when the market was still really, really hot, we were seeing houses sell 31% of the time over asking. In 2023, the numbers dropped significantly down to 10%, and it held steady at that 10% in 2024. So far in 2025, we're at 7% selling over asking. But you have to be pretty aggressively priced in today's market to get over ask. The reality is, buyers are grinding. Sellers are seeing the value in a cash offer, and they're doing the deal even when they were expecting, quite frankly, wanting more money. But the upside to this is deals are getting done. Many sellers were overpriced far too long, and they've now come to terms with the buyers, and buyers are coming out guns a-blazing. Now let's zoom in on February. With just 2 days left in the month, here's where we stand. Fort Erie median price point of sales in 2025, 550. Same time last year, 542, which is up a bit. And median days on market down 42.9% from last month. That's good news. Decline in days on market is a positive sign, suggesting buyers are acting faster, sellers are allowing deals to happen. And I'm eager to see how things are going to develop in March, especially given the recent increase in activity. Now, if you're in the market for a home, I'm going to be hosting 3 open houses this weekend, and I'd love for you to stop by. On Saturday, March the 1st, I'm going to be at 594 Seneca. It's a waterside community, a brand new townhouse there fully finished in-law suite in the basement. I'll be there from 11 to 1, and then I'm scooting over to 515 Ferndale in Crescent Park. It's a charming 1.5-story character home close to the beaches, the trails, amenities, and I'll be there from 1 to 3. On Sunday, I'm going to be at 14 Brookfield. This listing has been incredibly active, and I don't think it's going to last long, so make sure that you get out and see me on Sunday from 12 to 2 there. This market is moving, and if you're thinking about buying, if you're thinking about selling, now is the time to stay informed. If you found this to be of value, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notifications button so you can get all of my updates. And if you know someone who's considering and moving into the Fort Erie area or the Niagara region, send them this video. It'll be a real benefit to them. I'll be back next week with some more updates. Have a great weekend. I hope that I see you at one of my open houses over the weekend. Stay well, everyone.